Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add emoji to our project in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to add emoji to this project. So the first thing we're going to do is we can scroll all the way to the right until we find stickers button, and it's right here. Just tap on it, then select the emoji that you want to add to your video and just tap on this emoji option right here and pick the emoji that you like. And for me, I'm just going to tap on this emoji. Then after that, we can click on this check mark. Alright, and we can zoom out or zoom in the emoji. We can click on this button and we can zoom in like this. And we can also drag this emoji. And I'm going to use this emoji to cover the face. Alright, and we can adjust the length. We can make this emoji align with the video. We can click on this emoji section right here underneath the video. And let's see the result, guys. Let's have a look. Just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can add emoji in our project in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.